Hey guys, it's Ev, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making a DIY Pinterest-inspired sticker phone case. So all I've done so far is search for my favorite things like Gilmore Girls and Teen Wolf as stickers, and when you search for the word stickers, they come up with these really cute white outlines, so it just looks awesome, and they look like actual stickers when you print them out. And if you want to buy the actual stickers, you can go to Redbubble, because most of them are from there. So then after your page is all resized to the same size of your phone case, mine was 2.5 by 5.5 inches, and you can change your Google Drawings to that inch size. You're going to print out a draft to make sure that everything fits the right way, and mine was, I had to adjust a little bit, so that's why we do a draft first. Then you're going to put into your printer some really good photo quality paper so that they come out shiny and they look like actual stickers. If you don't have that, regular paper works too, but it looks better with photo paper. And you're going to change the quality of the print to best quality, and you're going to make sure that you change the paper type to photo paper if you're using photo paper. I have this Kodak picture paper here, but you can use any kind, any brand. So just make sure that you change the quality and also change the paper type to the right type of paper. And yeah, you want it to be best quality so that the ink and all the words come out clearly on the small designs. And then you're just going to go ahead and hit print and hope for the best. But that is why we did a draft first, so it did all turn out perfectly. And once it prints, you're going to want to just let it dry a little bit so that you don't smudge anything while you're cutting it out. And I just grabbed a large pair of scissors, a small pair of scissors, and then some double-sided tape. And I'm going to bring this up to my room to work on my carpet because my phone is now going to be out of its case and I don't want to drop it on any hard surfaces. So my old case also had something printed out from photo paper in it. It was the Lorax, but I decided that I wanted to do something new. But you can also do this if you print out one big thing and put it in your case. It also looks really cute. But now I'm just going to go wash my phone case with some Windex, and I also washed my phone itself so that it would have a clean surface and everything would look really nice when we put it all back together at the end. So now what you have to do is cut out all of the stickers. This took me a while because I wanted to cut out all the little details that are around each picture because all of the bubbles around them were kind of had little nooks and crannies and odd shapes, but they were really cute, so I wanted to do that. So I had these two pairs of scissors, and then I actually found some like cuticle clippers. Oh, wow, I cannot speak. Cuticle scissors that I had in like a nail kit, and I used those to get some of the really like small spots because they had a curve to them, so they like work perfectly with some of like the curves of the different stickers. That's what these are right here. There's like little nail cuticle eyebrow, whatever you're using for scissors, and I just use that to cut out all of these little tiny pictures. So once you have all of your stickers cut out, you're going to want to start just laying them on your case, or on your phone rather, just to see how you like them to look. If you did want to tape them to your case and not your phone, you could get special printer paper that's like stickers, and then you could make the front part, the sticky part, and stick it to your case, if that makes sense, because you want it to be inside your case. That's why I just taped mine to my phone, because it'll come off and you can just use Glue Be Gone if you have any residue left over on your phone. But I'm also not planning on changing this for a while, so I figured it was fine to use double-sided tape to tape it to my phone. So yeah, you're just going to lay it out how you like it, and then use some double-sided tape and just tape everything down. And once you're all done taping everything down, you just have to pop your case on top. I did have to slide some things around and readjust them, but that is all it takes. And now you have a really cute Pinterest-inspired sticker phone case. Thank you guys so much for watching. Send me pictures on social media of what your phone cases turned out like, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. See you next time. Bye!